Well, here we have it. We've been saying this for months. Bank of Canada, they're up to it. They've increased rates again. It's going to have a massive impact in values in our areas, all throughout BC, all throughout Victoria, all throughout Canada. It will impact values. It will impact buyers' purchasing power. So let's check in. Let's dive right in and see what's going on. Hey, this is Andrew Holenchuk, Victoria Property Group, eXp Realty. All right, Bank of Canada has done another interest rate announcement effective October 26. So you hear it. It's the fastest rate tightening cycle in 30 years. This is so impactful. The Bank of Canada raised its overnight policy rate by 50 basis points, bringing it to 3.75%. It's the highest level since 2008. In the statement accompanying this decision, the bank noted Canadian economy continues to operate in excess demand and tight labor markets, and as a result, inflation remains elevated. Sharply higher interest rates are having a significant impact in interest rate sensitive sectors like housing. That's pretty obvious. While softening global demand is weighing on exports. Consequently, the bank expects economic growth to stall through the end of 2022 and into the first half of 2023, with real GDP growth or just 1% next year. I guess time will tell. The bank expects inflation to ease over the next year, falling to 3% in 2023 and returning to the 2% inflation target in 2024. However, given elevated inflation and inflation expectations, the bank does expect that its policy rate will need to rise further. Very interesting. Lock in those rates, right? The Bank of Canada has not raised rates this aggressively since the early 1990s, and its overnight rate is now well above the bank's estimate of neutral, or the level of its policy rate at which inflation should run at 2%. As such, the bank is attempting to significantly slow the economy in order to bring inflation back to earth. Again, what we've experienced the last couple of years is really out of this world. It takes several quarters for rate increases to impact the broader economy. So the economic impact of the bank's actions won't be fully felt until 2023. However, we're definitely seeing an impact right now in 2022. With saying this, mortgage rates at 5.5%, the impact on the housing market is immediate and severe. Interestingly, the bank did note its expectation for the economy to stall over the next 6 months. So when we hear that, sellers, make sure you price it right. The markets, they're trying to devalue it. Buyers, you're going to start getting more deals, right? This is what they're all talking about here. But your purchasing power for a buyer is going to diminish. If this comes to pass and the economy is soon in a recession, and crucially, if progress is made on bringing inflation down, it'll be difficult for the bank to keep its policy rate at current levels for the extended period. So what happens now? That's the big question. In the coming days, banks and other financial institutions are expected to follow the Bank of Canada's lead and hike their prime lending rate, which is used to price variable rate mortgages and personal and home equity lines of credit. Cost of borrowing is obviously going up. This announcement will have no impact on fixed rate mortgage holders. This is the 6th consecutive rate increase from the Bank of Canada, which has now increased the overnight target rate by 350 basis points since March. That is nuts. If you have any concerns about the rise in borrowing costs, I encourage you to reach out so that way we can discuss your further personal situation and options. We are aligned with amazing mortgage brokers, mortgage consultants, you name it. We have brokers, people at Bank of Montreal, RBC, CIBC. They would love to connect with you, right? We also have lawyers as well. We have inspectors, you name it. Our real estate team has it all to protect you each step of the way. I not only have 16 years real estate experience in buying and selling houses, but I also have approximately 10 years experience in mortgages investments prior to me being a real estate agent. So I have over 25 years experience, protect you each step of the way. So we've aligned ourselves with some great key partners. So make sure you like this. Please comment. Do you have any questions? What are your concerns? Please comment below and please subscribe. We're going to give you all the announcements from the Bank of Canada, the BCREA, which this information came from, which is the BC Real Estate Council, right? So that's a governing body for all us agents here in BC. But bottom line is, if you're thinking of buying or selling, our real estate team would love to help you out. We have over 70 years experience. We're also your community real estate team. We support our community. We do tons of giveaways. We do tons of fundraisers. We give away a car at Christmas, over 10,000 in prizes, and every month we're giving away at least 1,000 in prizes, including Connects tickets, even though they're kind of sucking big time lately. You gotta love this 7-game losing streak, but they will turn it around, we gotta hope. But again, off topic, we're in your corner every step of the way. So please subscribe, please like, please comment below. Show your love, show your support, and if you're thinking of buying or selling or know someone that is, we'd love to help them out. All the best, stay tuned for the next update. For all real estate, any market updates, giveaways, we have you covered in all areas. All the best, bye for now.